What's up, Guiding Bolt fans? This is Nick, and I've been getting a few questions lately regarding the in setting on the Intex sand filter. So when I went through and made the video on explaining what the Intex sand filter settings do, I missed the little in setting right here. So I just wanted to clear this up because I do get a lot of questions on this, what exactly is that used for. So all that is the neutral setting. And what that's doing is it's going to leave the 6-way valve. It's a 6-way valve because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 settings on it. I guess 7 if you count the in setting. But anyways, what it does is it puts the 6-way valve into a inactive state. And what you're going to use that for is for long-term storage or winterization. So what it's going to do is it's going to allow the water, any water that's still in the 6-way valve, it's going to allow it to flow. So usually you'll take this head off of the tank when you're going to store it, and that's going to allow any water that's in there to be able to flow out. So that way if it does freeze or something, hopefully it'll be able to flow and not freeze and damage any of the internal components. And that is pretty much it. So I know you can, I've heard of other people using it for like troubleshooting and stuff, but I've never used it for anything like that. I put it in the in setting when I'm going to store it for the winter. So if you have any questions, go ahead and toss it down below. I'm usually pretty quick about getting back to my viewers. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time.